my name is Thiago Endrigo Silva, and welcome to my course on how to make wooden hand planes. We're going to start with a block of wood like this, and we're going to end with a plane like this. I'm from Brazil and I'm really happy to be here. I've been invited by the Luthier Academy to record this class. We're going to go over how you use hand tools to saw and shape the wood and plane the wood. We're going to discuss bed angles. We're going to discuss the different variations on how we can make the plane to achieve certain functions. And we're going to make a plane about this size. We're going to make something smaller with a curved bottom. We're going to make a shoulder plane and a spoke shave. The techniques we're going to see here can be used to make a jointer plane or something that's as small as a finger plane. It's easy to make a first plane if you have simple tools. You don't need a very big tool kit. We're going to start using the minimum amount of tools that are very common in your practice that you already have. Let's do it.